How to create a document on Google Docs Mobile. First, you have to open the app, of course, and then you click this plus button on the bottom right of your screen. Then you can click new document. Then you name your document whatever you want, and the document will be created here. If you want to edit it, you can press the pencil icon to go into editing mode. And if you're done editing, you have to click the check icon to get out of editing mode. I know it's annoying, but that is how things work here in the mobile version of Google Docs. If you want to share the link, you can also do it here. You can manage access. Here you can make anyone with the link to be able to edit the file, and then you can also edit the role here to commenter or editor. You can also add people through their email through this. For example, if I want to add alberttristano@gmail.com, I can just send it right here. And that is how you're able to use Google Docs on your iPhone or your Android.